Son, come here and enjoy strawberries with me.
Wow, a full plate of them. Share them with me, Dad.
I have my own strawberries, no worries.
Hey, Dad, why do you have so many of them? I want a large bowl of them too.
Alright, I'll give you the same. Later. Now you have the same size container. Enjoy them.
Dad, you're making fun of me. I can't tell my mom.
Oh God, my stomach is aching. I'll use the bathroom. Oh.
If you go to the bathroom, I'll have your large bowl of strawberries. Take the food to bathroom. You have a weird interest, Dad.
Delicious.
The story of eating strawberries.